friends, welcome back to my channel Healthy Samayal. Methi puri kids version of recipe. In a plate, take 1½ cup of wheat flour, salt to taste, few green chilies, half tablespoon of ajwain seeds. It gives a nice aroma to our recipe. Pinch of hing, 1 cup of methi leaves. I have not chopped them. I have used the whole methi leaves. Let's know the benefits of methi leaves. Methi leaves helps in controlling cholesterol. The antioxidants in fenugreek prevent cell damage. Omega-3 and 6 fatty acids prevent follicle inflammation that prevents hair loss. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix them well. Once it is mixed well, you can start adding the water as per your need and make it into a soft dough. Now our dough is ready. Just place it in a cover and rest it for 15 minutes. Let's roll them. Just dust the working area and roll it into a disc shape. Try this wonderful and healthy recipes. Everyone at home surely love this taste. Let's make methi puri kids version. Just deep fry these puris on both the sides until it is golden brown and it looks so yummy, and kids love eating this healthy recipe. Always eat healthy and stay healthy. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. For many more simple and healthy recipes, stay connected to Healthy Samayal.